Okay, so it came to my attention that I accidentally deleted the blood typing video. Some people are actually really mad, it looks like. So here's a cell. Here's a couple cells because I want to do a couple at once. All right, so you can have A, you can have B blood type, you can have AB, or you can have O. And what it's talking about is it's talking about the surface antigens. Surface antigen, remember that. An antigen is sometimes written down as agglutinogen. Just pay attention, the gen part means antigen. Not really, but just remember them that way, okay? They both have gen in them. So if somebody is an A blood type, so always think about what the patient would be if we're trying to transfer blood from one person to another. So they have A surface antigen. Well, then out in the so we also have antibodies, and they'll call them agglutinins. Okay, so whatever we have on the cell, we're going to have opposite antibodies outside. We can't have anti-A or it would attack its own cells, but we can have anti-B, okay? Another thing we can have is something called Rh factor. So we can have A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative, all right? So let's say this person is just A negative. So they only have A as a surface antigen. So when you're asking yourself, what do they have in terms of antibodies, ask yourself anti-A, anti-B, anti-RH. Okay? So those are the three things you got to remember. So can they have anti-A? No, because they've got A surface antigen. Can they have anti-B? Yes. Can they have anti-RH? Yeah. If there's RH, I'd normally put like little pluses on here, but we just said this was A negative, so that means we can have anti-RH. So what can be donated? All right, so can A positive be donated? There's no anti-A, so that's cool. Um, the positive part, that's a problem, the anti-RH. Okay, so A positive blood cannot be donated to this person. A negative, meaning that their cells would have just A surface antigen, no RH on it. Can that be donated? Yes. I'll put a check mark there. Okay. What about B positive? We can't have any Bs because of the anti-B. Same thing with AB. There's still B on the surface of these cells trying to be donated, so we can't have those either. O means they don't have any surface antigens, so cool. But the positive part would be a problem because of the anti-RH. Okay? O negative, cool. All right? If this person was A positive, okay, so they would still have the anti-B, but now they can't have the anti-RH. So for them, A positive, there's no anti-A, there's no anti-RH. Sure. A negative, sure. B positive, no, because of the B. AB positive, no, because of the B. AB negative, same thing. O positive, yes. O negative, yes. Okay. Down here, we'll do an AB type. Let's do AB positive. So they have A, B, and the RH on them. So can they have anti-A? No. Can they have anti-B? No, because again, they'd be attacking their own cells. Can they have anti-RH? No. So what do they have out here? Yeah, as in zero, nothing. All right, in terms of identifying different blood types. So what can they get donated to them? All of them. So this is called a universal acceptor. Okay, here's another blood cell. Okay, and let's say this is O negative. All right, so O negative, nothing on it. But what's it going to have outside? For the agglutinins, it's going to have anti-A. That's possible. So again, run through this list here. Can it have anti-B? Yep. Can it have anti-RH? Yep. Can have all those. All right. So O negative is cool because it's a universal donor. Because it doesn't have any surface antigens on it, we can donate it to whoever. But the problem is it's not going to be good at accepting. So the only blood type it's going to be able to accept from actually is going to be O negative, other O negative. Okay? So universal donor, O negative, universal acceptor would be AB positive. That's blood typing. Any questions at all on that?